Hello, it's Larry Gaines from Options on the Open. We're the leaders in day trading, swing trading, using options, and we're also the leader in using weekly options. Wanted to go through and show you a textbook example of a key reversal day. Today, if you've been following Apple, it's been on an absolute tear, like a parabolic move up. Every day, just incredible moves. But today, it had what you call a key reversal day. So when you look at this bar here, this is a daily bar of Apple, the price. You can see that it made a higher high from the prior day. Here's the prior day. This was Tuesday. So it made a higher high, and the low, it closed below the prior day. So it basically closed below 2 days. So this was a huge, basically blow off top, perhaps. I mean, that's what it looks like if you're looking at this chart. See how much volume? There's over 53 million shares traded today. Huge volume. So when you get a huge volume day like this, a key reversal, this is what you call as a classic key reversal blow off top. Now let me go show you a couple things more regarding Apple and what it could lead to. In the prior chart, I showed you that the shares traded over 53 million shares today. Well, the options traded over 1 million options traded today on Apple. And as you know, one option contract is equal to 100 shares. So not only did it trade over 53 million shares, but if you look at the option volume, that's basically relates to 100 million shares. So just an incredible amount of option activity today, creating huge volatility. Now the market weighting of Apple also can have a major impact and effect on the broad markets. Apple, the weighting of Apple in the S&P 500, the SPX, is approximately 4%, and of the NASDAQ 100, it's 12%. So the markets have been just going up, kind of grinding higher over the past month without any kind of pullback, and a lot of that can be attributed to Apple and its huge parabolic move that it's been having, because it controls a lot of the volume. So there have been a lot of players looking at Apple for a sign of a market top, and if you consider a key reversal day like this as a market top on Apple for the intermediate term, this could also be the market top for the broader indexes for a period of time, since we have had no pullbacks of over 1% since the first of the year. So keep an eye on the broad markets based on this Apple. And here's Apple on a Fibonacci retracement to give you some ideas of where Apple can be headed next. So what I did, I just took the low, this island reversal. You can see this island gap here, where after earnings it gapped up here to about 443. So this low of this island gap was 443.14. The high today was 526.29. So if you take a Fibonacci from the low to high, the potential retracement levels are here. So you can see that the first Fibonacci retracement level is right here at 494.53. Currently in the after hours, we're right now at 494.91. So this is a first level support. Then the 50% retracement is 484.72, and then the 618 is 474.90, and then the 786 is 460.93. Now there's a really high probability chance that Apple will retrace all the way down here to the 786, or even lower to the low of the island, this gap island, or even fill the gap down here, which would be filling the gap at around 430. So with Apple and the tremendous volume that's been attracted in the stock, there's a lot of length here, a lot of profits. So you should see some good retracement activity over the next few days and even weeks. Now let me show you one more chart that's very interesting on a weekly basis. Now one more thing to be aware of, this is a weekly chart of Apple, and this shows you the parabolic move that it's had. This is the channel. This is a weekly chart. This shows you its current trend or channel that it's been in for for months. So let me go back a little further. So see, it's been in this nice uptrend, trending up, and then it broke the top of the channel. Now when you break channels like this, they usually come back, and they have to come back to the top of the channel first. So you're going to see Apple. I'm not, it could take weeks for this to happen, but you should see Apple come back down to the top of this channel, and then see what it does there if it consolidates. So just, everybody's talking Apple. It's everybody's, favorite stock, and it's acting like a commodity right now with this blow off top. So watch Apple, watch for corrections, watch those Fibonacci retracement levels, and be aware that the top of this channel comes back in around 460, 450, and that would be totally in line with the 786 Fibonacci retracement, which I'll show you one last time. So there's going to be a lot of activity here, people wanting to buy the dips and stuff, but based on what I showed you, there's a really high chance, high probability that this thing can retrace back here to 460 in this area, the 786 retracement. So good luck trading. Come join us at optionsontheopen.com. That's optionsontheopen.com. And also, I'd just like to say I will be speaking at the Traders World Online Expo next Tuesday. So go to my website, the homepage, and there's a box there that says Traders World Expo, and click on schedule, and you can see when I'm talking. If you'd like to come listen to what I have to say, I'd love to have you on with me. So thank you for your time.